the most significant change in Border Patrol personnel, right, beyond just the numerical growth of it's better funded, there are more agents. We've talked about that, but one of the most dramatic changes within that is the rise of Latina, Latino, Latinx officers. Since its creation in 1924, at least at this beginning stages, Mexicans and Mexican Americans had represented what's generally a small portion of the agency's personnel. But by 1977, we're starting to see some of these numbers grow, but it's still relatively small. In 77, Latino officers numbered still only just above 300. 12 years later, they made up almost 36% of the agency. Now they make up 50% of Border Patrol. They also make up 30% of Immigration and Customs Enforcement. And some of this is trying to reform systems from the inside. Some of it is coming from interaction that their family have had with Border Patrol and thinking that they can perhaps change the system. But in many cases, a lot of Latinos also choose to enter this form of immigration law enforcement in service of economic self-interest.